Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, we are in my kitchen and we are concentrating on what's behind me, my refrigerator. I shared in a recent haul some new pieces I wanted to add to it and just reorganize it because what I had going on was not working for me. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, just keep on watching. Every year I stand back and assess what is working in my home as far as organization, what's working, what's not working. And I must add, what may have worked 3 years ago or even a year ago may not be working because the dynamics of life change, right? And that's what happened in this refrigerator. Plus, like I stated on a previous video, I do have another refrigerator in my pantry and I'm having issues with it. So I'm trying to adjust to one refrigerator. So I'm pulling all of the contents out of it. Moving everything to my counter. And while I'm doing that, I'm placing things or like things together. And here is everything on my countertops. Condiments, drinks, leftovers, you name it, it's here. Now, I've shared in previous videos this refrigerator, how I use these mats, which are placemats from the Dollar Tree. It protects this refrigerator and saves me a lot of headache by having them in there. Now I'm taking the time to wipe them down. Really didn't have much on them, but I'm doing this anyway. And I pretty much do this on a regular basis. You can either use a bottle of water and vinegar or have your sink with soap in it. Now this is one of the items that I purchased recently, which is a push beverage dispenser. And I've been using this for about a week or two and my family loves it. That other container stores my eggs. Now containers are your very best friend in the refrigerator. Everything has a place. I put my sticks of butter in a container. These jars or pitchers from Amazon house my orange juice and milk. Now I'm playing around with the placement of everything in the refrigerator to see if it works for me. And you may see some things move, so stay tuned. Now this bin that you see in my hand is what I call a thaw bin or a meal prep bin. And I love this container here that I picked up from Marshall's. It's my prep bin, and I plan on ordering another one of those off of Amazon. Love it. Now I'm adding the condiments to the door of the refrigerator. Now, as you can see, I did move that egg container from the right to the left because I needed a space for all of our salad dressings and more condiments. That second container is things that we use for taco night. Right now, I'm going to take this prep container and do a little prepping or chopping of my vegetables. This portion is so relaxing to me, to sit here, have some music on throughout the house, and just take time to prep my veggies. This saves me so much time during the week. Can I have a true moment here? I sit back and stroll the social media, and I see all of these beautiful and organized refrigerators full of food. And I've tried that, but it does not work for me. It was very wasteful for me. Food expires, like your produce, your milk, your different things. So I do what works for my family and for myself, not for social media. Just thought I'd be truthful. That's me. That's me talking. And I must add, take the time to wash your veggies. Really shouldn't have to say that, but they are very dirty. All right, as you can see on this celery. Take the time to wash your veggies. They're dirty. They may have chemicals and films on them that need to come off. As well as making sure your hands are clean and your surfaces are clean. I started cutting this onion up and forgot what I usually do when I cut these onions. There's a trick to cutting these onions, all right, without having tears falling down from your eyes, right? And I had to stop and get what I usually get, all right? And that is, and you'll see in a minute, take a burning candle and place it by you when you cut your onions. It's something about that candle that eliminates the fumes from those onions, all right? But you can also put your glasses on as well to shield your eyes. So I actually did both. Now I'm placing some onions to the side because I'm going to share with you a quick and easy meal that you don't even have to turn your oven on for, okay? Very, very easy and very delicious, I must add. I'll share this idea shortly, so stay tuned. Now this is also a new container. It's a deli type storage container that houses your deli meat and cheeses. And I plan on ordering another one of these babies. It came from Amazon. Right now, I'm going to share with you this quick and easy meal that you don't even have to fire up your oven or stove for. And it's a viral meal that's all over social media. And it's that Italian sub chopped salad, right? You have your lettuce, your onions, and your tomatoes. And you can even grab pickles if you want to, but I love the banana peppers on it. You can pretty much add whatever you like, and no set amount. And that's what I love about this recipe. I made this for Super Bowl, and oh my goodness, it was delicious. I'm also adding some Italian seasoning along with salt and pepper. Grab your knife or a chopper and go at it. Start chopping these ingredients up. I purchased a sub pack from Aldi. It has your ham, your provolone, cheese, and salami. Now, when I made this a couple of weeks ago for Super Bowl, I used the entire thing. But right now, I'm just going to use half of each pack. It renders a lot, trust me. And chop these ingredients up too. As you can see, I'm definitely getting a workout on, right? Then start folding all of the ingredients into each other. Now in a bowl, take some mayo. It's no set measurement. I just took a couple of forks full or spoons full of mayo. That's how much I have in the bowl. Some olive oil. Just trying to show you what I have in the bowl. And some red wine vinegar. Not too much of this. And mix these ingredients together. I'm going to add a little bit more of my olive oil because I don't want this thick. I want it loose. And then I decided to add a few seasonings, which is again the Italian seasoning that will enhance what I have in the lettuce or the chopped mixture. And then I wanted a little heat, so I'm adding some crushed red pepper flakes. Pour it on top of the chopped salad and mix well. And here's the salad, the chopped Italian salad. Oh my goodness, it looks delicious. You can add this to some sub bread or eat it as a salad. It is entirely up to you. I am placing it in a bowl to let all of these seasonings and everything marry together, but you actually can eat it right now if you wanted to. But I'm going to put it up for dinner because this is my dinner. I fixed this midday, so we'll have it later. Lid on top, and in the refrigerator it goes. Now the last thing for my refrigerator is this acrylic calendar and weekly planner that I purchased from Amazon. It comes as a set. Of course, the calendar will help us keep up with our different work schedules and different events. And this weekly planner, I'm actually going to use like a menu planner to let my family know what's for dinner on certain days, right? And this set comes with this container, which has a magnet on it, and I think like 6 different markers. Absolutely Love this set and cannot wait to put it to use. So right now I'm going to take you inside the refrigerator. I did not do the freezer. I'll do that another time because I've done a lot today. The chopping took up a lot of time, but this is the top shelf. I'm loving the beverages up there. I love that push beverage dispenser. The containers here for our condiments for taco or Mexican night. Our salads, love having those bins specifically for that. The second shelf, my milk and juice. This is probably going to change. I just have that in there for now. Those are leftover drinks other than this from Super Bowl. So we need to drink those things up and get them out of here. And then I have a space for something else. That's my egg bin. Butter. This will be gone as well as of today. Grandson is coming over here, or I'm going over to his house, and we didn't make our Valentine cookies because he was not feeling too well, so we'll do that today. This is my chopped salad for dinner tonight. Leftovers are in the back. This is all of the vegetables that I chopped up, and I already told hubby I need another one of those. The the thaw bin is right there, or prep bin for meals. My veggies, since I washed pretty much everything up, I don't have that much in here. Everything is clean. Other than that, that's some slaw mix. But everything else is clean for that. Fruits, have the strawberries, grapes. I need to refill this bin with the fruits, the orange slices, or anything that we have in the pantry. And that's it for that portion of the refrigerator. I absolutely love it. On the door to the left, I have biscuits. I have like this honey butter here. I could possibly put behind my stick butter. That's spray butter and cream cheese. This portion of this door, not too much can fit on. So I just basically keep the whipped topping here. We have some sample wine on the door here and a few more things for salad, which really and truly can go in that bin with the salad dressings. So that's it for that side. And on this side is all of the condiments, basically for sandwiches or hamburgers or hot dogs. So, well, I do sausage dogs, other condiments, and then drinks, because we love lemonade around here all year long, okay? Now the wording that you see, the fruits and veggies, I did that with my Cricut about a year or so ago. I had them labeled, I had these bins labeled as well, but I did take them off. But I love the fact of having the fruits and veggies written on those two drawers. I'm going to take you to the middle. Now this was the container that I purchased, and I'm going to purchase another one. Also, as far as the milk, orange juice, and just like this bin or any bins that I have, I do have a label maker, a handheld label maker, that I am going to put the expiration dates of these foods on. All right, so my family will know, but I also keep it documented in my phone along with a grocery list. Okay, and also my refrigerator does it as well, but for my family to know, it will be on the foods. All right, so that's sandwich meat and cheese. Back here is more sandwich meat. The ham slices and the bacon is pretty much for breakfast. I just have the sandwich meat in here. I am going to, like I said, I'm going to order another one of these I'm also going to order a bacon container. That way it will be in here, because sometimes I don't use all of that. The majority of the time I don't use all of that, so it is much needed. Over here, I buy a lot of sliced or shredded cheeses of different types, different varieties. So I keep it here because we go through it. Right here, which I do need to refill, especially we're coming up on springtime. I like placing things here that I can make a tray out of real quick. Say, for instance, somebody pop up over here, I can give them some food to nibble and snack on. And back here is the feta cheese, more cheese, and Parmesan cheese. But that is basically it for this portion of my refrigerator. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, organizing my refrigerator with me. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of everything that happens here on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Instagram and TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. So thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.